Hello, long is I'm lining up to pay for parking lot to get inside to the theme park to WaterWorld. Taking my nephew with me. Only the one that not lazy go. One lazy don't wanna go. Hello, long is taking my nephew to Hurricane Six Flags WaterWorld. This is how you get inside entry. Okay, going in. Here are the rules. Okay, we are inside, and I asked my nephew where he wanna go, and we go with him. Yeah, I don't record you, don't worry. Oh. Ooh, restroom. Look at the water. This is food section. You're not hungry yet, right? Okay. Okay, we're gonna find a place to put our stuff, and then we're gonna go swim. People want some swish because it's hot. People sitting under the shade. People going home, and we just got here. We're not early bird people. Look at the line, so long just to go to that balloon. Oh, the line all the way down there. You want a light jacket now or later? Okay, you don't need light jacket going in the lazy river, right? Anyway, light jacket is everywhere. We can. Okay, go ahead. Get the color you like. Which one you like? Look at this flower, so pretty. My friend and my favorite color. We're not gonna find no seat. Come on, let's go slide. Woohoo! How cool is that? Look like this one closed. Nobody here. Oh, and look at this fresh water. We go in there later. You wanna go lazy river? Where you wanna go first? Okay, we're gonna go lazy river. Lazy river is like the whole family can do that. Look at this cutie pie. Ooh, the line go up there is long. The line to get food is also long too. Go, Moose. Oh, so cute how they can put the shoe right there. So I guess this one no shoe allowed. We're gonna take out your sock. Okay, to go into lazy river is right there. Can we do this? Cold. We're gonna go in without the balloon first, and we're gonna come back with the balloon. Oh, I forgot to take out my watch. Okay, let's go. Ah, so cold. Oh, shoot. We just have to jump in, huh? Whoa, watch your step. Ready? It's 3 feet only, though. Ready? You better go back. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Go! 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 Come on, boy. You can do it. My skinny boy. You just have to stop your body. It feels good. Huh? See you later, alligator. Come on. They're having fun, young kid, young adult. Yeah. Another bridge. Are we getting out or are we going one more while? Please let me know. We going out or we going in? Keep going? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go about one more time. Watch your step, watch your step. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at those kids. No, jump in. Wow, look at that, shooting. Shooting like a star. Oh, she's about to shoot somebody. Oh, my foot over. Look at that. I'm not about to go. Oh, my foot over. Okay. I think we're done. We are so done. We're tired now. They're about to close anyways. This is where I bought my lunch. Over here. We're here. Bum bum. Some to order some snack and just a snack. The line is long. Okay, lunchtime. Next time, cheeseburger and fried chicken soup from WaterWorld. Look over there. Alright, we're gonna enjoy food. Okay, that's it.
Whoa, you got a tube, huh? You got a tube, huh? No, I said he got a tube. Okay. Yeah, go in there. Hey, yeah. You kick. Yeah, but you want that?
sure you put your leg up here. You got it? Yeah, go over there. Go over there. Go over there.
There.
Go over there so you can
There you go.
hold it.
Jump.
You're supposed to put your body like that and go.
Yeah.
And then you swim it, yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. There you go. Get the other
Pull up.
side.
Pull up.
Pull your body up.
Pull up. Keep going. Pull up.
Pull up some more.
Yeah. Pull up. There you
Yeah,
go.
there you go. But hold the other side up. You got
You gotta
it?
go up more.
You need to go up more.
Go up more.
Yeah, go up more.
Go up more.
There you go.
Yeah. Bye bye. Go up more. Go up more. Put your chest up.
Thank you for visiting. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. We are going home. The exit's over here. I think. See you next time.